Hello everyone. This is my review of the Dongmuwujee 6-tier tree bookshelf. The first thing I notice is the unique tree design. It gives the room a modern, decorative look while still providing plenty of storage for books and collectibles. I also love how little floor space it takes up. The tall, narrow design fits perfectly in corners and small rooms while still holding a surprising number of books. Another thing that stood out is how sturdy it feels. Once assembled, it feels stable and solid, even when the shelves are fully loaded. The shelves are angled just enough to make the books easy to grab while also creating a really eye-catching display. I also like how versatile it is. Besides books, it can be used for plants, picture frames, small decorations, and collectibles, and everything looks great on it. Assembly was straightforward, and all the pieces fit together nicely. Within a short time, I had a bookshelf that completely changed the look of the room. Overall, it's more than just a bookshelf. It fits a decorative piece that adds style while helping keep everything organized. If you're looking for a space-saving bookshelf with a unique modern design that doubles as home decor, this Dongmuwujee 6-tier tree bookshelf is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.